My chest mount is crooked. Oh, I got a good one. I thought I was hung on a grass.
I'm not touching the line. Last time I did, I got the full.
Oh my gosh!
Dude, how heavy is that? Dude, how heavy is that? Dude.
You wanna run up and grab the scale? Run up and grab the scale.
It's not that heavy.
Are you sure?
It's long. It's not even, not your PB. You think it is?
No. Go grab the scale though.
Where is it?
Alright guys. Jackson's almost here and I'm stuck. But got this pretty girl, big head, skinny. Say she's about 3 pounds. She's got a huge mouth on her. See how much she weighs. Dude, my feet are wet. I thought I was hung on a grass. I thought I was hung on grass. Zeroed?
Yep. Hang on. Zeroed.
The one that's not in there.
Four, 3, 81.
4 pounder.
Dude, that's big ass mouth for it too.
Okay. Alright guys, so we let her go. I caught that big girl on a Googan Squad black red flake Texas rig. And I thought I was hung on some grass. And then I felt some head shakes. So Jackson is throwing a frog. So I was like, well, I might as well throw something different.
Sydney?